The topic is application of stack, that is postfix expression evaluation. So what is postfix expression? A postfix expression is a collection of operators and operands in which the operator is placed after the operands. Okay, for example, A, B plus. So A, B are operands and plus is the operator. The operator follows the operands. Okay, so this is the general structure of postfix expression. The steps for postfix expression evaluation using the stack. So you have to read all the symbols of postfix expression one by one from left hand side. Okay, so the given postfix expression is scanned from left to right. Okay, you have to read the symbol one by one. If the reading symbol is operand, then you can push that symbol onto the stack. Okay, if it is an operand, then pushing operation takes place. If the reading symbol is operator, for example, plus, minus, star, slash, okay. So if the reading symbol is operator, then you have to perform two pop operation and you have to store the popped operands in variables like operand 1, operand 2 and so on. Then you have to perform the operation, okay, the reading symbol operation between operand 1 and operand 2, and the result is again pushed on to the stack. So these steps are repeated, okay, until the postfix expression is evaluated completely. So once again, the steps for postfix expression evaluation is: the first step, you have to read the symbols from postfix expression one by one from left to right. If the symbol is operand, then push the symbol onto the stack. If the symbol is operator, then fetch two operands from the stack and you perform the necessary operation. After performing the operation, again the result is pushed back onto the stack. Okay, so example 4, 5, 6 star plus. So this is an example for postfix expression. Why we called it as postfix expression? Because the operator follows the operands. Okay. So we are scanning the expression from left to right. The first symbol is 4. It is an operand, so it is pushed on to the stack. The next symbol is 5. Again it is an operand, so it is pushed down to the stack. The next thing is 6. It is also an operand, so again 6 is pushed down to the stack. The next one is operator. So if the symbol is an operator, then you have to fetch two operands from the stack. You have to pop twice. Okay. So the topmost items, that is 6 and 5, are popped out and we perform star operation and we apply the multiplication operation between the operands 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 are multiplied with one another. So the result is 30. So the result is again pushed on to the stack. The next symbol is plus. So again it is an operator. So you have to pop twice. The elements which are deleted from the stack are 30 and 4 and the operation is plus. So you apply the addition operation between the operands 30 and 4. So 30 plus 4, which gives you the result 34. So 34 is pushed back onto the stack. So that is the result. Okay. So it is explained in this figure. Since 4 is an operand, it is pushed onto the stack. Again 5 and 6, all these are operands. So they are pushed on to the stack. Okay, if the symbol is an operator, then you have to pop two elements and you have to evaluate. The popped out elements are 5 and 6, and you apply the star operation among the operands, so which gives you the result 30. So again 30 is pushed on to the stack. Now stack contains 4 and 30. The next operator is plus, the next symbol is plus. So again you have to pop two elements. The popped out elements are 4 and 30, and you apply the plus operator in between the operands. So 4 plus 30 gives you 34. So 34 is the result. So it is pushed back onto the stack. So we don't have any inputs in the expression. So you can pop out the stack content. So now the stack is empty and the result is 34. Okay. So similarly, we go with another one example. The expression is 2, 10 plus 9, 6 minus slash. So this is the postfix expression. So the corresponding infix expression is 2 plus 10 divided by 9 minus 6. Okay. So which gives you the result 12 by 3 equal to 4. So we are going to get the same result using the stack. Okay. So see the diagram. 2 and 10 are operands. So they are pushed on to the stack. The next symbol is plus. So you can pop out two elements 2 and 10 from the stack, and you apply the operator plus in between the operands. You get the result 12. So 12 is again pushed back onto the stack. The next symbol is 9. Since it is an operand, it is also inserted. The next thing is 6. So 6 is also an operand. So you perform push operation. So now the stack contains 12, 9, 6. The next symbol is minus. Since it is an operator, you have to pop two values from the stack. So the popped out elements are 9 and 6. Okay. So you have to perform the operation subtraction among these two operands. So 9 minus 6 gives you the result 3. So it is again pushed on to the stack. Okay. The next symbol is slash. Since it is an operator, you perform two pop operation. Okay. We are getting the operands 12 and 3. And you apply the operator. So we get the result 4. So 4 is pushed on to the stack. Now the expression is empty. So you can pop out the answer from the stack. So the answer is 4. Okay. So that's all. The postfix expression evaluation. Thank you all.